Welcome guys to JD's English Club. Let's practice some daily use questions and answers. टिके सुनिबे कि मु आपनक सहित कथा होई पारे कि Excuse me, can I talk to you? Excuse me, can I talk to you? हाँ निश्चय. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. ଆପଣ ଏଇଠିକାର ବା ଆପଣ ଏଇଠି ରୁହନ୍ତି? Are you from around here? Are you from around here? ହଁ ମୁଁ ଏଠି 10 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ରହୁଛି. Yes, I have been living here for 10 years. Yes, I have been living here for 10 years. ଆପଣ ଫେସବୁକରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି? Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? हाँ ମୁଁ ଫେସବୁକରେ ଅଛି. Yes, I am on Facebook. Yes, I am on Facebook. ତୁମେ କାହା ବିଷୟରେ କହୁଛ? Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about? ମୁଁ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ ବିଷୟରେ କହୁଛି. I'm talking about my friend. I'm talking about my friend. तुमको वर्षा दिन पसंद? Do you like rainy days? Do you like rainy days? हाँ मत वर्षा दिन पसंद. Yes, I love rainy days. Yes, I love rainy days. तुम्हें कौन खोजुछ? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? ମୁଁ ମୋ ମୋବାଇଲ ଖୋଜୁଛି. I'm looking for my mobile. I'm looking for my mobile. ତୁମେ କାହାକୁ କହିଥିଲ କି ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ? Did you tell this to anyone? Did you tell this to anyone? ନା ମୁଁ କାହାକୁ କହିନି. No, I didn't tell this to anyone. No, I didn't tell this to anyone. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠି ରୁହ? Where do you live? Where do you live? ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ଆଖପାଖରେ ରୁହେ. I live around here. I live around here. କ'ଣ ତୁମେ ଏହା ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? Did you understand this? Did you understand this? ମୁଁ ଏହା ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲି. Yes, I understood it very well. Yes, I understood it very well. ତୁମେ କେବେ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଯାଇଛ? Have you ever been to Delhi? Have you ever been to Delhi? ହଁ ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ 2 ଥର ଯାଇଛି. Yes, I have been there twice. Yes, I have been there twice. ପାଖରେ ଥିବା ରେଳ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କେଉଁଠି? Where is the nearest railway station? Where is the nearest railway station? ବେଶୀ ଦୂର ନୁହେଁ. ଏଠୁ 100 ମିଟର ଦୂର. Not very far. It's 100 meter away from here. Not very far. It's 100 meter away from here. আজি গুরুবার কি? Is it Thursday today? Is it Thursday today? না আজি শুক্রবার. No, today is Friday. No, today is Friday. ତୁମେ କାଲି ଆସିବ? Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? ନା କାଲି ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ରହିବି. No, I'll be little busy tomorrow. No, I'll be little busy tomorrow. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକାର? Where are you from? Where are you from? ମୁଁ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରର ବା ମୁଁ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ନିବାସୀ. I'm from Bhubaneswar. I'm from Bhubaneswar. ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ସେ କଥା କହିଲ? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? ମୋ ପାଟିରୁ ଭୁଲରେ ବାହାରିଗଲା. It came out of my mouth by mistake. It came out of my mouth by mistake. ଆଜି ମୋର କ'ଣ ପିନ୍ଧିବା ଉଚିତ? What should I wear today? What should I wear today? ତୁମର ଲାଲ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ପିନ୍ଧିବା ଉଚିତ. ଏହା ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ. You should wear red dress. You will look nice in that. You should wear red dress. You will look nice in that. କିଏ ତୁମକୁ ପଚାରିଲା? Who asked you? Who asked you? ରାହୁଲ ମୋତେ ପଚାରିଲା. Rahul asked to me. Rahul asked to me. ଏବେ ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରିବ? Now what will you do? Now what will you do? ଦେଖିବା କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. ତୁମର କେତେ ଜଣ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଅଛନ୍ତି? How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? ମୋର କେବଳ 5 ଜଣ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଅଛନ୍ତି. I have only 5 friends. I have only 5 friends. କାହିଁକି ତୁମେ ଅଯଥାରେ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହେଉଛ? Why are you worrying unnecessarily? Why are you worrying unnecessarily? କାରଣ ଏହା ଗୋଟେ ଅସୁବିଧାର ବିଷୟ. Because it's a matter of trouble. Because it's a matter of trouble. ସେ କ'ଣ କହିଲେ? What did he say? What did he say? ସେ କହିଲେ ତୁମେ ଜଣେ ଭଲ ଲୋକ. He said you are nice person. He said you are nice person. ତୁମେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉଛ? Where are you going? Where are you going? ମୁଁ ଅଫିସ୍ ଯାଉଛି. I'm going to office. I'm going to office. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you and take care. Bye.